Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you something truly extraordinary, a vehicle that looks like it came straight out of the future. What you're looking at right now is not just a motorhome, it's a luxury mansion on wheels. This stunning double-decker motorhome is designed for those who want the ultimate blend of futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and world-class comfort while traveling the open road. If you've ever wondered what it's like to live in a moving palace, stick around because this review is gonna blow your mind. At first glance, the exterior of this motorhome demands attention. Its glossy black finish, combined with sleek aerodynamic curves, makes it look more like a futuristic spaceship than an RV. The glowing amber LED outlines give it a powerful, commanding presence, especially at night. Unlike traditional RVs, this one has a bold design that turns heads wherever it goes. The six-wheel configuration ensures both stability and strength, while the custom rims and low-profile body styling scream luxury performance. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. Moving closer, you'll notice the immense panoramic windows, allowing natural light to flood into the interior, while also giving passengers a spectacular view of the surroundings. The double-decker structure maximizes usable space, making this motorhome feel more like a two-story house than a vehicle. From the outside alone, you can tell that every detail has been carefully crafted to combine elegance with futuristic aesthetics. Now let's step inside and explore what truly makes this motorhome special. As soon as you enter, you're greeted by an interior that rivals five-star hotels. Imagine polished marble-style flooring, plush leather seating, and ambient lighting that changes according to your mood. Everything inside is designed with luxury and comfort in mind. The living area features spacious sofas, a high-end entertainment system, and even a fireplace-style setup to give you that cozy feeling no matter where you're parked. Heading upstairs, the second floor is where the motorhome really sets itself apart. This area is designed for relaxation and privacy. You'll find large bedrooms with king-size beds, built-in wardrobes, and even smart glass windows that can switch from transparent to opaque at the touch of a button. Imagine waking up in the morning, tapping a control, and watching the sunrise from your bed with a clear panoramic view. That's the level of luxury we're talking about.
The kitchen inside this motorhome is a chef's dream, fully equipped with modern appliances, including an induction cooktop, convection oven, refrigerator, and even a built-in wine cooler. It's designed to make cooking on the road as easy as being at home. The dining area is both elegant and practical, perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. Of course, no luxury motorhome would be complete without a spa-like bathroom. This one comes with rainfall showers, high-end fixtures, and a design that makes you forget you're even inside a vehicle. Space has been maximized in a way that feels seamless and comfortable, which is something not many RVs can truly offer. Technology is another area where this motorhome shines. From advanced climate control systems to smart home features integrated throughout the vehicle, everything can be controlled with a touch panel or even through voice commands. Whether you want to dim the lights, adjust the temperature, or queue up a movie on the entertainment system, it's all at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about performance. While this motorhome is undeniably luxurious, it's also engineered for long-distance travel. With its powerful engine, enhanced suspension, and six-wheel drive setup, it delivers a smooth, stable ride no matter where you're headed. It's built not just for highways, but also for exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations without compromising comfort. Owning a motorhome like this isn't just about traveling, it's about redefining the travel experience. It's for those who want the freedom of the open road without giving up the luxury of modern living. Whether you're on a cross-country adventure or parked at a luxury camping site, this motorhome ensures that your journey is just as enjoyable as the destination itself. So, is this the ultimate motorhome? From its futuristic design and world-class interiors to its cutting-edge technology and sheer presence, I'd say it's one of the most impressive vehicles on wheels today. Of course, all this comes with a price tag that matches its exclusivity, but for those who can afford it, this motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle. That wraps up today's review of this futuristic double-decker luxury motorhome. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content on luxury vehicles, travel, and innovation. Drop a comment below and let me know, if you had the chance, would you live in a motorhome like this? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.